Welcome to our video on reviving your lawn with core aeration and overseeding. A lush, green lawn is a dream for many homeowners, but achieving it takes time, effort, and proper maintenance. Over time, soil can become compacted, making it difficult for grass roots to penetrate deeper and access the water and nutrients they need to thrive. Additionally, factors such as weather, foot traffic, and pets can lead to thinning and bare spots in your lawn. This is where core aeration and overseeding come in. Core aeration is a process where small plugs of soil are removed from your lawn using an aeration machine, creating holes that allow air, water, and nutrients to penetrate deeper into the soil. This promotes healthier root growth and overall lawn health. Overseeding, on the other hand, involves spreading new grass seed over your lawn, which helps to fill in any thin or bare areas, leading to a thicker and healthier lawn. In our video, you'll see the core aeration and overseeding process in action. First, a person is shown using an aeration machine to create small holes in the lawn, allowing for better water, air, and nutrient absorption. Then, you'll see how the lawn looks after the aeration process, with the small plugs of soil scattered across the surface. After the aeration process, it's time for overseeding. A person is shown evenly distributing the grass seed over the freshly aerated lawn, ensuring that all areas are covered and the grass grows uniformly. It's important to choose the right type of grass seed for your climate and soil conditions, and to follow the manufacturer's instructions for application rates and watering schedules. One of the main benefits of core aeration and overseeding is that it helps to reduce soil compaction, which can prevent water from penetrating into the soil and reaching the roots. This, in turn, helps to reduce water runoff and promote deeper root growth. Additionally, overseeding helps to fill in any thin or bare areas in your lawn, which can help to prevent weed growth and make your lawn look more uniform. It's recommended that you do core aeration and overseeding once a year, preferably in the early fall or spring when temperatures are cooler and there is ample moisture in the soil. This will give your lawn the best chance to grow and thrive throughout the growing season. In conclusion, core aeration and overseeding are essential steps in maintaining a healthy and vibrant lawn. By improving soil health and promoting uniform grass growth, you can create a lush and inviting outdoor space for you and your family to enjoy.